Hello, I'm back with my amazing popping microwave popcorn. Watch. Okay, can't hear anything.
Not done yet.
No, it's popping.
Yeah. So cute. I have to think about cute.
Oh yeah, I just got it in my mouth.
Here's a cute kitty. Yes.
Okay, so what are we going to watch?
War of the Worlds in 17 again. How many times do I have to say it? Pop, 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 pop. It's gone crazy.
And this is what it becomes.
Look at my feet. But they are cool.
I painted them.
And then there's black.
It's getting bigger, it's getting bigger. This is what it will look like. Cough you.
I think that would be good. You can turn it up now. Or it will
No,
dry.
just wait for a minute.
Fine, but then it might be burned there. And then it's not so sweet.
Oh, then forget it then.
You just go like this. I'll do it.
Well, that stops it.
Now, what you do? Look at my finger.
Alright.
Okay, fine. You go like this.
Did you see the steam? I think you see the steam.
And then you pull it the other way. And then you put in your bowl. Careful not to get, because it's hot. Ah, that was hot. And then the steam is coming out.
Oh, no, there's water.
That's not water, that's water with sugar. Actually, it's sugar, I think. Yep, sugar.
Next one.